Alright guys, well here it is. I got my Anet A8 3D printer from Gearbest here. I got it in like, I don't know, 12 days through the Christmas, ordered it on the 23rd, and I just got it today from DHL. So we'll, yeah, this will be somewhat of the unboxing here. I'm going to do part of a build, mostly just to see when it comes to maybe the electronics, just because I want to make sure everything is good, right? Being an electrician and all, want to make sure everything is safe from the stuff that I've heard. So I got the MOSFETs on order. I'll be doing all that to it, the dual MOSFETs anyways, just to make sure. Probably a new power supply, but you know, as long as the power supply is cooled and supplies enough current, it'll be fine. The only way you need to upgrade another one is if you're running all the extra stuff for it. So this is the printer here, the H-bar. Looks pretty good. I'm not a big fan of these Phillips screws. As a Canadian, we like our Robertson, and I prefer Robertson. But I do like this, and I do got a plethora of screws just because of my hobby, in the RC hobby here. I'm gonna peel all this stuff off right now. Maybe recruit my wife to give me a hand. There's the tools. So it looks like it's pretty good. Just give me a second here. There's my sealing. Oh, and there's the rest of it there. Oh, see, I got somewhat English, somewhat Chinese. That's okay. I got a fair amount of Chinese friends. If I actually need any help, they can forever translate it for me if I really need to. I wonder if that is actually metal or acrylic. Doesn't look like it to me. Kind of feels like it's wood and painted. Weird. See, because of that. Oh, if it's wood, that sucks. Because that, to me, it looks like it's paint. That's acrylic. Maybe not. I don't know. I'll take it apart here in a few and actually see. There's the rest of it. Everything looks like it's in pretty good order. This will be my sorting bench here. Yeah, this is the shop. Anyways, coffee, of course, all the tools that I have. And that is so true. There's the head. Everything looks like it's here anyways. All the lead screws. Weird how one of them is, maybe they're supposed to be like that. I don't know, I didn't really watch too many of the build videos like from the gearbest website or from the Anet website. I was going to say for that actually when I am building it, for sure. Well, maybe it is. I think it's just laser cut and it's kind of melted. I don't know. Just looks kind of funny to me, that's all. Maybe because it's my first time doing it. I'm not used to... I had an old one, an old printer. I actually just sold it. Probably should have kept it, but I kind of needed the money. But I did have a Perusa, but it was like a... I'm not going to say it's like a knockoff, but it was called a Perusa MD. It was sold here originally in Calgary at a hobby shop here for an absorbent amount of money, like $1,200 Canadian or some shit a couple years ago. Ridiculously overpriced. I got it through a few trades and it needed a bunch of work. I was actually just going to keep it for a laser cutter and do that. Yeah, these are injection molded. I've heard good things about these. I've also heard, you know, some people print their own or new ones anyways. It looked pretty nice. I did work in an injection molding factory at one point for about 6-8 months in Ontario. Looked at the print quality is a lot better on this. Huh. Looks okay. The steppers are all there anyways. I think these are actually, yeah. The power supply is what I wanted to see. I am going to test it before I even hook it all up. I'm going to turn it on, take a voltmeter to it. Then once it's all in, put a load on it, use an ammeter. Check the ammeter. It's a little bit smaller than the other one that I did have. And I believe it's preset for 110 or 120. Looks like it. I'm going to make sure though. I mean, what can happen? It's on 240 and you put 120 to it. Nothing. It's not going to fry it. The opposite would. In hindsight, that's what would happen if you put 240 to it, to 120. It would blow it up. But yeah, anyway, so this is it. This is kind of interesting. These parts. This cable stuff I don't really like. I'm going to get the braided stuff. Some of this stuff I'm just going to probably throw out and use on my own. Like those tie wraps are garbage. I got these. These are the good ones. They got metal in them. They're T&Bs. I have a whole pile of them just from my job or whatever. But yeah, so that's what exactly. Those are all my spare parts. Screws, tools, screws, pieces for my large-scale RC collection. If people in the 3D printer community don't really know too much about it, but that's what I'm going to be, my goal is to be printing stuff for these large scales, specifically the arms and stuff that break so much. And so yeah, well, that concludes this video. I'll see you guys later.